Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Meditative Dialogue. On this episode, we're going to talk with youth like Eazi Money. Yeah, he's going to tell us all about the situation with him and Jacure, with what Jacure did or didn't do. But you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Yes, Meditative Dialogue is here. Eazi Money, step up and let it be known I am the first man to interview him, and the official diss song is right here. I will leave the link below. Eazi Money, take it away, yo.
What's good? Yo, turn your thing.
Yes, Eazi Money, pick up yourself, King. How's everything?
Bless up.
Yeah, mommy, damn. Love.
Bless up, madame.
Yes.
Wagwan, you good?
Yeah, man, me good. Yo, your music is fire. You don't see all the fire in there? Yo, fun down the place.
I appreciate
Big
it.
artist with the
I
pride.
appreciate it.
Yo,
it.
likewise, you know, each one is called a link. If not, it's weak. See the link, strong. Yeah, so check it out. Let's go right into it. How did you start in music professionally? Like, what gave you the vibes?
To start music, I would say my father, because my father was a producer a long time ago. You know, in Jamaica, he's been producing. He's still a producer because he produced for me. So he's still a producer, you know? Yeah.
Okay.
So that's what I would say. I get the inspiration, and you know, I just love to write music. I love to create and be creative. So
of course.
That's why.
Which is right, yeah. And you know, when you learn from the elders, you can't go wrong. All right, so
you know,
yeah, I'm listening. Go ahead.
I was gonna tell you, my first real session. The first person that taught me how to do harmonies was Ed Robinson. You know what I'm saying? Ed Robinson.
Big up Ed Robinson.
The legend. Ed Robinson. Big up.
Yeah,
Ed
man.
Robinson. And then the
exactly
next person,
right there. Got the studio in Brooklyn. Yeah.
Right there in Brooklyn on North Street. You know where it's at. Okay.
Yeah, North Street over there, Harper on that thing.
I was recording a song one time, bro, and Shabba Ranks walked right in my studio session, bro.
Didn't it feel good?
Yeah, I mean, I didn't know who he was.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest with you, because I was too young.
Right.
I didn't really know, but I knew that from his presence. I know he was a legend. You know what I'm saying? You could tell.
Oh yeah.
So
yeah, man.
I got a lot of history, man. You know, from like a lot of the reggae studios. You know, I've been in those studios from young, from 14 to 15, 16, recording. You know, so I've been around for a while.
That's what I'm talking about. Wow, see, that's good. So you've been in King Jammy's studio, in them studios, you said?
Well, I only been to Ed Robinson's studio.
Okay, I feel you. Yep, yeah. Yo, listen, it's like you grow in the music, because I hear it in your music. Listen, like, you see the way you're talking, and it's just like so easy. That's how you sound like on a track. Yo, bad, trust me. Me not lie.
Yeah,
and listen, I'm a straight reggae head. I know.
Going.
Yeah,
and
I'm a straight reggae head, and I love it.
Start the diss record in the studio. I'm in the studio now.
Yeah, if you want to give us a piece of it, you can.
Yeah,
you know how it go. I don't know if you're able to.
Turn that up. Exclusive world premiere.
Can't fuck with them.
Coronavirus.
No drama. I couldn't do no problem. And I be you in a real life. You want to text me, better think twice. A pure voice no sending out right. Man, a problem, yes, in real life. Me not fuck with no scammer. Man, I roll with the
How you mean, man?
I can't do no problem. Wanna be you in a real life. You want to text me, better think twice. A pure voice no sending out fight. Man, a problem, yes, in real life. But if you don't really want to try me, try to take me money and stand me. These niggas be cappers, I know they all fake. Some niggas scared that I'm taking their place. I still let them money change me. Just tell my mom and father raised me. The industry so shady.
Pause that. It's coming.
Yo, my day.
Coronavirus.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm done to coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
Very
Viral.
much.
We viral. We went
Yes.
viral, you heard? We went viral.
Yes.
We went viral.
Yo.
Yo, Daddy Reddss, tell me we went viral. We everywhere.
Yeah, we went viral, people.
Viral.
You know why? We went viral because we want to
pay up.
get rid of a virus.
Pay up. Pay up the fucking money, nigga. Puss on.
Exactly, yo. Yo. And if I'm not, yo, wanna hear that?
Yo,
somebody tell that artist here.
All of the blogs, them, big up yourself, man. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Of course. Because, you know, a truth and righteousness, we say. Somebody want tag that artist, tag him, and make him defend it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell her
come on, man.
The name. Tell her respect the name.
Yo, they better put respect on the name. Easy Money.
Yeah.
Easy Money. Which part you come from?
Brooklyn.
Where you from?
I'm from Brooklyn, East New York. And I
Brooklyn
live
all
Long
day.
Island, so
that's right. That's what I'm talking about.
Long Island right now, but I'm from Brooklyn.
Come on, you read all of that. Exactly. Brooklyn all day. New York City, tri-state area.
We're everywhere.
Exactly.
Brooklyn, Queens, Staten Island, Bronx, everywhere.
Thank you. Make them know how we get down. Let's die, do or die. North Carolina.
Europe,
and you know we're from East New York. Hendrix, 770 Hendrix.
International.
Right in the corner, hanging. Yes. Flatbush.
And yo,
exactly.
Daddy Reddss, because Daddy Reddss is the first person to premiere the new tune. You know what I'm saying? The coronavirus.
Thank you.
Not the coronavirus, the coronavirus.
All right, you have to cure it around.
One more time. Hold on.
Run it.
One more
Run
time. It. Let me play one more time. Hold
Run
on.
it up.
Me not fuck with no scammer. Man, I roll with the hammer. Me not cause no drama. I don't want no problem. Wanna be youth in a real life. You want to teach me better things twice.
Show some love to the Cash App if you like it.
Man, a problem, yes, in real life. Me not fuck with no scammer. Man, I roll with the hammer. Me not cause no drama. I don't want no problem. In a real life. You want to teach me better things twice. I your voice, don't send you no fight. Man, a problem, yes, in real life. That the drag, you don't really want to try me. Try to take me money and style me. These niggas be cappers, I know they all fake. Some niggas be scared that I'm taking their place. I can't let that money change me. Cause I'm a moment for the raise me. The industry's so shady.
Exactly.
We about to finish this tonight. It's going out next 2 days. 2 days.
Yo, as you get it out, give it to me and make me do my part. Trust me.
2 days. I'm sending it to you first.
All right. Yeah, I done it done. Watch how we make it run. Sure. How you mean? Yo, let me see. It's just so much now with that situation. Like, basically, you're saying like 5 years ago, you reached out to the artist and you said, then what happened?
I mean, it just came to a pause. We gave him half of the money, and it came to a long pause for like maybe 2 years, and then we came into contact with each other again, and then he said send the next set, the rest of it, and let's get the song done. And a year later, no song. From last February 15th, the last February 15th. It's a year now. So
wow,
February 15th gonna make it a year since we paid the full payment. So
I never heard this.
This is the music industry that we in. So
true, but see, it's called music business. When a man do and handle his business, this don't happen. That's not right.
You're right.
That's not right. Yeah, we have to button them things. I'm not afraid to tell nobody what they can go do because it's not right. Yo, fuck off. Excuse the language, people, but that's wrong. Because I'm a producer myself and I manage artists.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Matter of fact, we work with the Big Bad Mac Diamond. When you ready for the collab, make me know.
Yo, anytime. Let's get him on the album. Let's get her on the album.
All right, done deal. As I come off for the live, I've done it done, just like that.
Hold on. Before I go because I gotta let y'all know the LV Dawn is coming. The album, the debut album coming. Junior Reed is on it. Javalani is on it. PG Valentina is on it. Too Real is on it.
Yes, sir.
And maybe some more. So we'll see. We'll keep y'all updated. See.
Got you. You see my live? Your live. You run this. Say anything you want to say. It's not done till you say done. You run this.
Of course, man.
Yeah.
This is Too Fly right here. This is my boy.
Too fly that you
Pick up yourself, Too Fly. Large up, Daddy
That's
Reddss
one
here.
of the generals.
Bless.
salute.
You know what I'm saying? So
Every
yeah,
time.
man, we in the studio, we in Crematorium Studio in Elmont right now. I'm gonna drop the location.
All right. Oh yeah. I used to play basketball in the park over there.
Not scared of no one. So I'm in the studio
How you
right
been?
now. I'm working. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting this
Of
shit
course.
right now, boss. For me?
And I thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to come in here, artist. You know?
Yeah, man. I
Well,
do
you want
like
big up,
interviews back to back right now. You know, headlines back to back. So I'm here.
which is right. You're a top shotter.
Thank you for
The
having
rest
me,
of them a
boss.
replacement killer.
Thank you for
Big
having
up your
me.
chest. You're King Kong, them a little gorilla.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we're gonna link. We're gonna talk some more. All right. Definitely.
All right, definitely. So do your thing.
All right.
And yo, we love you.
Yo,
and we rate you. And we support you.
Thank y'all for the support.
Thank
man.
you, too.
I appreciate it. Respect. And coronavirus coming soon. Look out for it. Next 2
Ready.
days, coronavirus everywhere. All right.
All right. Manners and respect.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah, boss.
All right. So people, when you see Eazi Money come hot up the place, you know? Yo, the song there, rough. So all we gotta say, somebody say, get him out of here. Nah, don't do that. Make him come. But yo, if you like the thing, please hit up the Cash App because yo, I had a situation when the people come rob the place and them take away the whole of the darn equipment. But I'm getting it back slowly and surely. But right now I'm a survivor for music. This is what I do in a real life.
All right, people. So, when we hear that, it's a styling thing. Nah, it's an unprofessional thing. Nah, it's a thing that's not righteous. Nah, you shouldn't be living like that, brother. Big man like you, yo, I'm not even gonna get in your business, but you put your business public. So now, fix it up. You're dealing with mix up your mix up and fix it up. All right, like, subscribe, comment, share. Meditative Dialogue. This is Daddy Reddss, and since I am the reggae ambassador, I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. All right, people. So, when we hear that, it's a styling thing. Nah, it's an unprofessional thing. Nah, it's a thing that's not righteous. Nah, you shouldn't be living like that, brother. Big man like you, yo, I'm not even gonna get in your business, but you put your business public. So now, fix it up. You're dealing with mix up your mix up and fix it up. All right, like, subscribe, comment, share. Meditative Dialogue. This is Daddy Reddss, and since I am the reggae ambassador, I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now.